The U.S. courts don't issue arrest warrants for the deputy commissioner. This one will be Abba Kyari. In fact, people don't they come outside. People where they involved. For those of now we don't understand why they arrest this man. Now because of say waiting, the big boy Hushpuppi, this guy don't come outside. Talk say he pay bribe to this man. This guy will be saying internet fraud. Now they do. So now he come outside say he give this man money. Say as bribe and no to take arrest person. Naija sin confess this one. Naija the U.S. magistrate judge wey name na Otis Wright. Come talk say he won't give warrant. Say make they go arrest this commissioner. Say in fact he mean say this man they involved in the bad things where this guy they do. My people abeg, make una follow me watch where they for talk this one.
A U.S. court has issued an arrest warrant for a Deputy Commissioner of Police, Abba Kyari, over his links to alleged fraudster Ramon Abbas, popularly known as Hushpuppi. The arrest warrant was issued by a U.S. Magistrate Judge Otis Wright. A spokesperson in the United States Attorney's Office confirmed the development to Channels Television. According to documents unsealed this week in the U.S., Mr. Kyari had arrested and jailed one Chibuzo Vincent at the behest of Hushpuppi. Kyari also allegedly sent bank account details to Hushpuppi so the latter could deposit payments for Vincent's arrest and imprisonment. Mr. Kyari, in a Facebook post on Thursday, denied the allegations.
In fact, I don't know behind this one allegation have been a setup. Because it can't be like say Hushpuppi won't just they call people out, make it not be like say now only and I won't go this jail. Now there him talk say he give money to this Abba Kyari. Say make you use and arrest one man they call Mr. Vincent. And he even talk say the bank details say if he prove him as evidence, say all these kinds of things there. Hey! Abba Kyari will say big man for police place. This one not be even say now all these police officers just they learn work. Now a big person, but as this thing happening, this Abba Kyari self talk say everything na lie. He go Facebook, go right and say all this one will happen, say no they involved. But I beg instead of you going to Facebook, why you self not even go find lawyer? May lawyer help you write this thing, go tell them say this one na lie because as the matter be. Or now no US people they go carry this matter serious. In fact, they no go even leave you. But in fact, this Abba Kyari fans, they know they believe you. They talk say this kind man, you know if you do this kind of thing. Say this man too, they good to they do this kind of thing. Now there Femi Fani Kayode, he self come as this one will be the former aviation minister. He talk say he just believe say na FBI. Now he just they jealous of this man. See where jealousy don't. I'm not sure say this one are true. Because if this man don't do this kind, I'm not sure say Hushpuppi go come aside. Come they mention in him. Say they just they jealous of this deputy commissioner and they just want tarnishing image. Any person will be say this police will be say if you risk in life for kidnappers, murderers and terror, I beg you risk all your life for all this kind and the things still they happen. I beg who you can't risk them for. And say as the thing being in they expect say this whole thing now just because they won't spoil this guy name. Say this kind of if he stand gidigbam. Say how person big person like this go come stood so low to they collect money from scammer. Person will be ordinary Yahoo boy. Person go come stand low upon all the money when they collect. He go come decide say na Hushpuppi among everybody go they collect for. Say in fact he no fit believe this kind of thing. Say this one are just conspiracy to just spoil this DPC career. They just want to spoil Abba Kyari career. I can't surprise. So this one when you talk now, sure you go come minimize the issue of arrest. But like if say this thing it happened to one kind commoner. Therefore don't bundle this man carry and go. But it's not saying a commissioner of police, and I say the man still in house. They never see arrest and since when they talk this kind of thing, still they will indeed. But God should in case they carry you go court. In fact, no go choose Nigeria. Just tell them they carry you go abroad, go prosecute you. Because at least you know say inside their prison you go enjoy. But if you go stay in Nigeria, all the people where you don't send go there, in fact, they go show you when. They go do you times 3 of what you don't do them. But I beg I don't even know who I won't believe. Because some people say that they talk, say this whole thing with Hushpuppi, they talk, say na lie. But I'm not sure say it go be lie because among everybody, Hushpuppi no see person call. Now only this man, now in can see call. It means that something they made them do their investigation where thank God say bank self details they did. May they go check this guy bank details, check and say true this thing really happen, and be no happen. Before they go begin give judgment, begin spoil person career because true if he be said they just want spoil this man career. But I sure say all of us they sit down and they wait on how they will take arrest this man, be which kind of judgment go come out from this thing. And I beg and US people, why don't they even put mind for something when they even concern? The person no do this, person dey inside Nigeria. Person where they abroad, face am for there. Make we self Nigerians face our own for here. Make now no dey put mouth like say now I get control of the whole world. Make we handle our thing by ourselves. My people abeg, I hear this news as make I bring am come. Make na self is na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make na no forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. President Muhammadu Buhari don't travel, he don't go London again. And this one we gotta say, he go there for one educational summit and check-up. I beg, wait till boo know when they go for educational check-up. But we hear say, this man, as he gotta go this place, he go there because of say, wait, they won't do one summit, whether they call Global Education Summit on financing global partnership of education. All this Oyinbo now because of say wait, they won't create one platform to transform education system inside Nigeria and other countries. In fact, this one a good idea. If now the reason say I want change our education system and now make things better, I feel say this one now good thing. But the person we can't give this announcement can't talk say this trip where people they go for saying go come back for 2nd week of August. I beg you sure say that this summit they go for be go there for another thing. Maybe Nigeria wahala don't tire you can't decide say I make you go there go rest because which kind summit they go for almost 3 weeks. And which all of us know say if you go there, now sleep now they go there go sleep. Nothing where they will come as I can't talk say okay now waiting happen now be this so. And in fact, Bobo go there with 4 other people like 4 other ministers and I beg why would they waste money inside this Nigeria? We gather money people money now can't carry and say now they go travel. One in which we know say this one so na even go for self. We feel even no go dey surprise say now we'll come back with nothing. Some people no go even still benefit from this whole thing we now go for. So I beg at least a minimum of 2 people. You don't finish because nothing when they go there go learn. No be say na jam now won't go right for there. So waiting na pack and herself like sardine they go there for. In fact, and this book will go this. I beg I say this in an educational summit. Just na person will go school. Now I suppose go sit down and say okay, in the year in one day hear something. Now we person say if they talk finish, you go come now when they speak English, I will say give us. So we say nobody go even hear waiting they talk. On top this one, now dear Dino, we like you know say Dino he like to play with our president. He self come reason and say I beg who be the president? We be say he no even get certificate. He come decide say he won't go abroad go they do educational summit. Now there he use our president they do yeah. My people beg make now follow me watch.
It is very very funny that President Muhammadu Buhari has gone to London to attend the Global Education Summit. It is funny and it is putting Nigeria in a very bad shape because I'm wondering what will President Muhammadu Buhari be discussing in a Global Education Summit. This is a man, this is President Muhammadu Buhari that is a school that has a certificate, secondary school certificate, a school cert failure. And unfortunately, that certificate is even missing. We have not seen it. There's no copy of it. And you are going to a global education summit where you have professors emeritus, where you have intellectually mobile characters, where you have people with very high global intellectual IQ. And Buhari is going to sit down and discuss what in a global education summit? How?
Mr. Dino, in fact, this one way you talk, make you know lie, you talk true. But like all this one way you talk, you no go help anybody. Because now you even get access to this man pass. Now wanna be the ministers and co. So now wanna feel near this person, follow and talk. And in fact, make you know lie, person will even go school, get all the degree. They don't even enter this position and still they don't still do anything. They don't even see anything do about the whole thing. So what it could be the S and this Dino, make no forget. 2015, now this guy now they support this Buhari, say Buhari. Now you have one gas between them. Now you can come outside. Any small thing, now you can carry a Buhari matter for head. Any small thing, go down the vest, they talk about them. But I beg, Bobo where they go for this medical check. I want to ask something. Say it means say our own Nigerian doctors, our own Nigerian hospital, they know sabi work. Say it means say they know sabi work. We say anytime we won't go for checkup, now abroad you go. In which we get competent hospitals inside Nigeria. So we Nigerians now we ready to risk our own life. We don't ready to die. Now make we they go all this yeah doctor space. Where be say you go stay. If you know say you want the travel, but you know like our doctors, equip them with the necessary things. Make we know say the hospitals where they okay, in fact they up to standard. They go fit treat you. Because all this one way you just they waste money. You just waste the country money. Or in the name of something go do you. In fact, what they even do, we won't know. Which sickness gone dey torment you? I na your village people. Make we know. Where na prayer we go use to pray for you. I na hospital go carry you go. Make we know exactly what they do you. Because every day now, you don't turn am to travel. You don't turn this thing to planting. You go move today, you don't go. But I beg, make una notice something. This one where Dino don dey talk since, and I notice say they never arrest am. If say na ordinary person I do this thing now, una go don carry this person turn am to activist. But I don't notice say since when Dino don dey do this thing, nobody don even come outside come complain say all wetin Dino dey talk in dey against the president. But if na one poor man na go don chook eye for the man matter. Carry and say na one go arrest am. And I dey see partiality inside this Nigeria. But make we know like everything wey Dino talk na true. But I beg the president, I hope say this one where you go for people go benefit from am. No be say na come turn this into ojoro they carry and give people wey na know. Hope say every Nigerian citizens wey deserve this thing go get am. My people, I beg, I hear this one as make I bring am come. Make na service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. Anything wey na feel about this whole matter wey I just hear now, make na no forget to write am for the comment section. Make na no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for the next video.